Dear students, uh, today I am going to discuss the question answers of third lesson, that is, should wizard hit mommy. Now, after having explained the whole lesson, I told you its summary and characters in brief. Now I am going to tell you the question answers which are given in the lesson. The first question is, what is the moral issue that the story raises? So now what is the moral issue? Every lesson, every story has some or the other moral. So here in this lesson we find the love of the mother for her child, that is Roger Skunk's mother. Now you see how the mother loves skunk who emits foul smell. So it shows that mother wants to see her children the way they are born, in whatever the color, shape, smell, size, whatever they are. For a mother, children are the best. So that is one thing, and that's why she takes a skunk to a Bizard back to get his original smell, in which he was giving foul smell, because these skunks, they are all giving this foul smell, so she didn't want to change it. That is one thing. Secondly, Roger skunk, he is also very much obedient to his mother. Why? Because you see, when he was given company of all his companions, wild animals, they loved and liked his smell, they made him play, he was very happy. So, you see, he should have told his mother that he would not like to change his this smell, but he didn't do it. He was an obedient child of the mother. So that is another thing. This also tells. Now the role of the Jack. Daughter of Jack, Jo, she insists a lot to change the end of the story. But Jack doesn't change. Why? Because he does not want the humiliation and insult of the mother, as she advised him to change its conclusion that Bizard hits back mummy on her head for changing the smell of Roger skunk and made him again unhappy and weeping. So here we find that Jack also loves his mother, and he defends, protects all the mothers of the world. So this is how you see this story is interlinked, and it is giving the moral lesson in one way or the other. I am sure you understood. Now second is, how does Joe want the story to end and why? So I have already covered the second question in the first question, that how does Joe want the story to end and why? Because Roger Skunk, he is the hero of Joe. Actually, Joe feels so happy when he smells roses, like rose. And when all his companions make him play, they feel very happy in his company. So he was very happy throughout the day till he reached his mother in the evening. So now this girl wants from his dad that the end of the story must be changed, that Roger Kang's mother must be hit by wizard and must get the smell back. That is what the girl wants. Now Question number third. Why does Jack insist that it was the wizard that was hit and not the mother? Now Jack actually he takes the favor of mother because Jack also loves his own mother, and Jack thinks that in case he follows the advice of his daughter, then what would happen? Then the mother will be humiliated, she would be insulted, because the girl wanted, Joe wanted that wizard hit back mummy of Roger skunk and to change the smell of roses again in his body. So now Jack didn't want to change the story, change the conclusion of the story at all, because he was not in only in the favor of Roger Skunk's mother, but also in the favor of all the mothers. So I hope you understood all the three questions which I discussed.